Hello, friends. Today we will explore Messari.io, a powerful platform for analyzing and researching cryptocurrencies. If you want to stay updated on the latest news and trends in the world of digital assets, then this site is definitely for you. Let's start with the interface. On the homepage, we see a clean and intuitive design. At the top of the screen, there are the main sections: cryptocurrencies, news, research, and portfolio. This allows you to quickly find the information you need. Now let's move to the cryptocurrencies section. Here you will find an extensive list of digital assets with up-to-date data on prices, market capitalization, and trading volumes. Each cryptocurrency has its own page with detailed information, including charts, historical data, and key metrics. This is a great tool for those who want to gain a deeper understanding of the market. Next, let's take a look at the news section. Messari offers fresh and relevant news from the world of cryptocurrencies, keeping you informed about current events. You can filter news by categories and topics, making it even easier to find the information you need. The research section is equally interesting. Here you will find analytical reports and studies on various projects and trends in the crypto industry. This is a valuable resource for investors and traders who want to make informed decisions. It's also worth mentioning the portfolio feature. You can create your own cryptocurrency portfolio, track its performance, and receive notifications about significant changes. This will help you manage your investments more effectively. In conclusion, Messari.io is an indispensable tool for anyone interested in cryptocurrencies. With its help, you can access relevant information, conduct analysis, and make informed decisions. If you are not yet familiar with this platform, be sure to check out the site and try it for yourself.